Hi. I'm recording this video as a last resort with the hope that somebody somewhere might be of assistance to us. So last weekend, my mom and her friends went on vacation to the Blight over the weekend, and everything was good and well until she received a call from a number that was not saved on her phone on the Saturday. She answered the call, and the person on the other end was talking about promotions. They're running a promotion where she can get up to 50% discount on flights and accommodations and and my mother was like, I'm not interested in any of that, Tebo. So as my mom was speaking, the person on the other line says, angikuzwa kahle, ngicela ufake ifoni yakho on loudspeaker. And that's really all it took, because as my mom moved the phone from endlebeni to put her phone on loudspeaker, her phone suddenly went blank. Her phone went blank, and then she couldn't press anything. Mabayfonela her friends that she was with, bengaringi ingenzi lutho, yabo. So until a couple of hours later, phone is right, and she's like, oh, my phone is back, and nakhona akanakile, yabo. My phone is back. And then she goes on her Capitec Bank app because she wanted to do a transaction, and the app says it's currently offline or it's under maintenance, something like that. And then surprisingly enough, ama apps wabangani bakhe, they were perfectly fine, they were working, yabo. And then she thinks, maybe it's just the network. Until ebusuku, she wakes up to I think it was a notification. It was on the Sunday night. She wakes up to a notification, but now Magatungena on her banking app, it still says the same thing. And then she decides on Monday morning to go to the bank. When she gets to the bank, she realizes the picture that is there on the system at the bank is not the picture le afaka ngayo, like when they installed the app on her phone, right? Because she realizes this picture, this is from Saturday when I was in Pretoria with my friends. But how did this picture end up here? And then they print the statement for her. With Capitec, you have your main accounts, like your savings accounts, where you can tap and pay and do whatever. And then you can create another savings account where you need to go on the app in order to access it, or you transfer money and whatever. So she had over 70,000 rands ule savings account that is underneath, and she had about 26,000 rands on her main account. But when she went to the bank, she realized she's on a negative balance, like she's on negative 563 rands. And she asked how, like, where is my money? Like, how could so much money disappear in a space of 12 hours? Yeah. And then the lady explains to her, when you put your phone on loudspeaker, those people were able to install a virus on your phone, and within a space of 10 hours at most, they were able to take at least 100,000 rands from your account. And she's like, but how could that happen? Because one, a random person can just take a picture off of your social media and download the Capitec banking app from their phone, and when you access. And then again, we have security systems that are in place. And sure our money is protected. Minang limit your PayShap. How was my money able to be sent to so many PayShap accounts? Away. Like, so many transactions going off at once. Why didn't you at least alert me? That, we'll conduct an investigation, and then we'll get back to you within a certain period of time. If I was TikTok savvy, I was going to put up a green screen and show you guys the conversations, but they sent a message today saying the investigation has been concluded, and unfortunately there's nothing that they can do. The money is gone, and it's just that. This is my mother's money that was left for. Part of the money was left by my late dad. My dad died 6 months ago, and this was some of the money we were saving for an unveiling that we were supposed to do on the anniversary of my father's death, and it's just gone. There's nothing they can help us with. The money is just gone. Like, it's just gone, and it's just whatever. We are very sorry. Thank you for your understanding. That's that. That's just it.
Hayi uzoyikhipha-ke kumina uCapitec. Yazi bengihlezi ngibona abantu beshaya amavidiyo ngiyijetshala, abantu banesikhathi sokuganga bathengiwe mhlawumbe ukuthi baxhaphaze uCapitec. Hayi ngeke. Ekuseni ngivuswa yenye bafethe i-transaction ye-withdrawal. Nakhona kube yinhlanhla ukuthi imali yami kwi-current beku-560, imali bingala kwi-savings. Ngenhlanhla. Hayi. Le transaction le yango past 2 500 rand. Hayi angikwazi. Nali ikhadi kumina. Ngifonile eCapitec ngabuza ukuthi ikhishwe kanjani imali, bathi ikhishwe ngekhadi nephini. Nali ikhadi mina baya-confirm ukuthi igcina ngayo number, ligcina ngayo le number, igcina ngo-63. Kanjani ikhadi kumina? Ngo-past 2 ngibe ngilele. Hayi sengiqasha amaphara kaCapitec antshontshe imali zabantu bafethu ngeke. Yabona-ke leli bank nizosixosha kulona. Ngoba bengingaba imali enkulu le. Kwayiwona 500 rand futhi akusiyona imali encane ungawazi ukuthi ushone kuphi. Bengilele ngo-past 2. Bani okhipha imali? Bathi ngiye police station. Bona-ke indaba bangayi-investigateli ngoba phela abantu ba-report into eyodwa ukuthi kwenzakalani. Bona-ke because phela fanele ngabe sebene-campaign abayenzayo e-serious yoku-investigate ukuthi imali zabantu yithathe uba. Abakwazi ukuthi kuwona wonke umuntu bangakutshela hambe e-police station. Wonke umuntu why beyithatha light lonto leyo? Akwazi ukuthi bangayithatha light ngoba phela bazolahlekelwa ama-customer. Futhi bayazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. bafethu ngeke. Hayi.
Hayi ayikwazi ukwenzeka. Ingabe uCapitec ubroke yini? Abasebenzi bakhe akababhadali, because it can't be. Cause kude unyaka ondlulayo without ama customer ka Capitec ekhala because kunemali elahlekile. Every time kulahleka imali ka Capitec, kwenzakalani ngoCapitec? Uma singabhekanga kahle, this thing eyenzeka ku VPS izowenzeka ku Capitec, because it can't be. Sikhala kanjalo, but uCapitec awulungisi amaphutha awo. So if kwenzeka kanje on a private bank, what will happen if EFF take over and nationalize everything and open a government's bank? What will happen on that bank? And as we know, our politicians are criminals, and getting to know your worth or your money, how worthy you are, that's dangerous. I wish Capitec can fix this issue very fast and be stable, especially akasisi lo uma wakhe luze u70,000. Guys, umnotho unzima, and that money is not a kind of money ukuthi ungamane uyiluze kanje, ihambe inyamalale kanjalo nje, bakutshele ukuthi there's nothing they can do while you trusted them with your own money. They've been watching you working hard and save that money, then your money disappears. What kind of institution is that? Please Capitec, please clarify this thing. Please guys, tell me what you think on this issue. Leave your comment below. Danko.